I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your watch model and its exact wallpaper resolution so your image fits without cropping. Open your image editor and import a photo. Once done, crop to the watch pixel dimensions and lock the focal point near center. Make sure you have the companion app installed on your phone and the watch charged. This prevents interruptions during transfer. Now save a working copy in PNG or JPG to keep colors intact, and move to editing for clarity and legibility. You should fine-tune exposure and contrast so icons stay readable, raise brightness slightly and increase contrast, or apply a subtle vignette to darken edges. Once the composition is right, scale exactly to the target pixels and check for sharpening artifacts. Smart sharpening at 0. 5:1. 0 works well. Export with high-quality settings, PNG for flat graphics, JPG high quality for photos. Then preview on a phone mockup or watch face simulator. If elements shift, you now upload the optimized image using the companion app or direct file transfer. Follow the app prompts to set it as your wallpaper. On the watch, position and crop if the interface allows, then save and apply to the active watch face. Make sure the watch face supports background images. If the image looks off, restart both devices and try re-importing the exact resolution file. This fixes most sync or cache problems. If problems persist, re-export with slightly reduced compression or try PNG format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.